Mataisau are listening. We are listening. Hear me now, my people, gather close, draw near. I speak of the sacred Drua, let truth be clear. Waqa tabu, built not for wealth nor fame. Our Mataisau carved the whole yacht's living name. Not just a vessel sailing out to sea, but memory made wood carved from our ancestry. From hull to beam in every lashed down seam, a voice from those before us, more than just a dream. Sacred Drua sail through time, carry us eternal dream. From hull to beam, in every seam, you speak the truth. Rise up and shine. Before the scroll, before the written pen, Alefiyahu was the way back then. First of all letters, strong and standing high. The mark of Yahweh was written in the sky. They carved it in the shape of where she's been, a sign upon the Drua. Have you seen? In beginning, Yah was there before the air. Before man spoke, our canoe was prayer. Sacred Drua sail through time, carry us eternal dream. From hull to beam, in every seam, you speak the truth. Rise up and shine. Sacred Drua, know your name. You carry wisdom, ancient flame. Know who you are. Stand up and claim. Let not this treasure fade in vain. The builders knelt, they saw, they knew Yah's presence in the morning dew. Each plank was prayer, each chord divine. The Drua born of sacred sign. Waqa tabu italano anikalu. Sacred vessel, it belongs to Yah. Sacred Drua sail through time, carry us eternal dream. From hull to beam, in every seam, you speak the truth. Rise up and shine. eternal dream. We rise, we know, Sabbath Shalom. Let truth flow.